When I make beets like that, nothing remains. Start by putting 2 units of beet on foil, and then add olive oil to taste, salt, and wrap. The smell of olive oil is already beginning to conquer you. And don't forget to wrap it well, as a gift for the oven. Now, put it in the preheated oven at 190 degrees for 40 minutes. After the time in the oven, cut the beets into small pieces and transfer to a bowl. Watch your fingers, huh? Beets are an artist, it makes everything colorful. Now, cut a generous amount of lettuce and add the beets inside the bowl. The lettuce will give that crunchy we love. Also, cut a unit of onion into thin strips, and then supplement the ingredients. The onion is like a friend that cannot miss. Let's go to the spices. In a bowl, add olive oil, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of mustard, 2 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of vinegar, salt to taste, pepper of the kingdom, and mix well. Look at this combination. It's like a symphony of flavors waiting to enter the scene. Pour the seasoning sauce over the ingredients inside the bowl and mix everything. Now, the most fun part, move everything and see the magic happen. And here it is. Our sensational cabbage salad is ready to be eaten. Did you like this recipe? Then like and follow our page for more tips like this. We are just starting our culinary journey. Bon appetit and see you next culinary adventure.